What are you doing? Are you using that table like a drum? Are you? What? Dad? Can you say dad, dad? Good job. Can you say, Mackenzie, can you say mama? No. Can you say ya, ya, ya? I'll show you in just a little bit, Maddie. Mackenzie. Hey. Mackenzie. Hey, you. You can see she's standing up. She loves standing. Oh, what was that little squeal? Hey. Hi. There's your smile. Maddie, or Mackenzie, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Maddie can say it. Can you say bye-bye?